time because it's very similar to the Agile LM. So Azure DevOps. Let's search the Azure DevOps and go to the Microsoft azure.microsoft.com, Azure DevOps services, this link, and then click on the start free. So yeah, the prerequisite is you need an Outlook account because Microsoft does not allow the uh, like accept the Outlook account. So let's say this is my Outlook account. I forgot the password. Let's see. Yeah, I forgot it. Oh, yeah, it worked. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to just, if you are first time, you have to sign up. I have already the account. That's why it just navigated to me the login directly. But yeah, for the first time, you will have to just sign up there. Okay. So after sign up, then just simply log in. Then you will get a dashboard like this, or it will ask you for the very beginning, it will ask you for the create an organization. Okay. So what you can do here, see, these are, you can create the organization, click on the new organization, continue, and name of your Azure DevOps organization. Now I can put the organization name here. Let's say TS for you org. Okay, we'll host your project. No, give me my sister with later on number. Oh, South India, or we can put here, uh, let's say North Europe, Central US. We can put the Central US, MDRVS, continue. So it will just create an organization for you. Okay, and under this organization, see, you can create a project. See, it's I think you guys are getting already the similarity. So let's say e-commerce project. Okay, let's say, and also you can make it public or private. Right now we can only do the private because for the public, they have maybe like the
Business
paid
account.
version. Yeah, business account. So click on the create project. Okay, so this is the project. See, and here is the summary of the project. This is the dashboard of the project. Okay, and in the dashboard you can actually add all the things. You can get the overview, all the things. I mean, you will get all the things, whatever you will create there, you will get all the in the dashboard. And this is the wiki, and here you can actually create the project wiki. See? Okay, so here you can give the title, then you can give the like is title, description. I mean, you can add all this, whatever you will write here, it will actually write here. And then you can, if you save it, and it will be added onto the wiki. See? And also you can put the comment. I mean, your other team members can put the comment if they have anything, any question on this wiki, anything need to understand, they can actually add the comment here. Then go to the boards, and under the boards we have the work items. See? It's like the similar. So we have the work items, then we can add the new work items, and here we have the epic, issue, and the task. Okay, then also you can import the recycle bin. In the recycle bin, if we delete something, you can see in the recycle bin. So in the work items, whatever we'll add, it will be into the work items. And this is the boards. So this is actually the product board. I mean, you will get all the work items here in this board. Okay, I mean, all the user stories and all the things. And this is the backlog. This is actually the product backlog. And in the product backlog, you will actually can create this. So let's say we can actually create any issues here. So just select the issue and click on the new work item and give the work item name. Let's say um user should user should be able to create a project. Okay, and click enter. And after hitting enter, okay, after hitting enter, here you can see See, after opening this, and this is the title. This is the, if you want to assign someone, right now I don't have anyone in this project. You can add the description, you can add the priority, you can also add the efforts. Okay. Then here, same thing, you can put the comments also and all the things. Then here in the details, and also you can see the history. Remember all those things. And this is the links if you want to link with any feature, any epics, and this is the attachment if you want to add the any attachment. And this is the state. So you can select the state and you can select this doing, and this is the area, and then this is the iteration and all this thing, and you can save and close it. Okay, so all the things you will see into the backlogs. And here you can also actually, if you want to see the backlog as a board, you can click on the view as board, and it will show you the backlog as a board, as the Kanban board. Okay, so this one as the doing, so it's actually under the doing section. Okay, or if you want to see as the backlog, you can select on the, click on the view as the backlog, and then you can click on the analytics. Okay, so now in the analytics, you actually can see the diagram of your like backlogs, like all over the whole backlogs. You can see the diagram, you can see the velocity. Right now we don't have any iterations. That's I mean, iteration means here they say the iteration, what we say the sprint. Okay, so that's just the wording, just the another word. Okay, synonyms, but the things are same. Okay, so as we didn't create any sprint, that's why it is showing the error, like there is no velocity right now. And in the sprints here, and this is the sprint backlog, and here this is the sprint board. Okay, if you want to go to the into the see as a backlog mode, you can see sprint backlog mode, or you can, if you want to see the task board, you can see the sprint task board. Okay, and this is the capacity, and in the capacity actually we can add like how many days off will be in this sprint. We can add those also. Okay, let's say this is the, in this sprint we'll have 2 days off. We can add all those 2 days off, like let's say 6 and to 8, so it all total 3 days, 6, 7, 8, so it will be the off. Okay, so we can also add the capacity. Okay, because some of the sprint we may have like the off, or some holidays, some vacations. So for that we can also add the capacity here. And here also we can, after this, under this user history, you can add the task. Okay, so this is the task, and also if you open this task, and here if you open this task, and also we can add the information of the task, and you guys already are familiar with all of this. Okay, and also if you can, if it is the task is doing, it's doing. If it is the task is done, it is done. And also you can assign any member to of this, I mean this task. Okay, and then this is the queries. So queries is very important thing here. Like if you add a new query here, and let's say if you change the date and the work item type, let's say the work item type is like here epic. Let's say you want to get down the epic, not the epic issue. Let's say issue, and the state is like if you want, if you just want to see the which issue is the done. You just, let's say you have 500 issues, and there are only 200 issues are done, so you just only get those. So you can just simply like this do and run the query, and it will show you. Right now I don't have any done issue, that's why it is not showing me. Okay, and you can also put the like start of the day, start of the month. You can also put all of this date also. And also you can add new clause also, like if you want to add more clause. Let's say I want to only see whatever is done issues only accepted by, or accepted by like only me, I only see those also. So this is how you can add. Also you can run query, and you can also export those query into the uh, what it calls the .csv format, I mean the Microsoft Excel format. Okay, let's say, I mean, let's say your leader wants to see all the things into only this. Let's say your leader said that, okay, I need only to see of whatever is under the doing. I want to focus only on those, so they give me the report of that. You can just simply run the query here and export that into Excel, and you can show that to your leader. Okay, So these are the queries, and then this is the delivery plans. It's got changes, and this is the delivery plans. Delivery plans is like if you add a plan here, you can add a plan description and then add the team member, and also you can just simply add the criteria. I mean the value of this development, let's say deployment, and then give the plan name. I mean if you have any specific plan for any specific team, you can add here the plans actually. And this is the analytics view. This analytics view is the reporting. I mean if you are excuse me, if you are getting any reports, all of those, you will get all the reports here. Reports means like bugs, all the bugs of history of this month, bug last 26 weeks, and the bug last 30 days. So by if you click this, you will get like this analytics. Okay. Right now we don't have anything here, so it's not showing anything here. Okay, and this is the repos, and repos, this is actually the same thing. If you are connect with your the code repositories, you can connect here, and then from here you can commit, you can push, you can branch. I mean you are not going to do all of this, so your technical like who the CTO or the technical leader who will actually merge the code, commit the code, push the code, and all these things they can do from here also. Okay, and then this is the pipeline. This pipeline is like for the CI/CD. If you have the CI/CD, all this thing, you can also actually check the pipelines from here, like everything is going fine or not, everything is working, deployment is going good or not. You can also check the pipelines from here also. And this is the test plans, and this the test plan is for the testers. If manual testers want to write any test plan, they can actually do this. So you guys already familiar with these also, because in the Agile LM we have also the test plan. So you can just simply go here, and they have already the video. You can watch their video, and also you can start from here. Okay, so we have to actually upgrade to test manager extension. Okay, I think they are asking for okay, it's saying the basic access level. Okay, that's why if I have the like administrative access level, it will give me all of this. Okay, and this is the artifacts. In the artifacts, we have here it come. Okay, in the artifacts, if you want to like connect, I forgot about these artifacts. What would they circle? Let me check directly their doc. They have also a very good documentation. Let me check quickly. So Azure Artifacts enable developers to share their code efficiently and manage all their packages from one place. With Azure Artifacts, developer can publish packages to their feeds, share within the same team. Oh, okay, so artifacts is like if you have like let's say your developer added some or brought some new libraries for the code repository, or they developed some new things, new libraries, and they want to share with the other team members among between them. So they can also create the artifacts here, and they can connect here. So this is also like not your job. And this is the project settings, and here in the project settings you can go here and you can actually change the overview, you can change the name, you can do all the things. And here also if you want to see enable, disable, you can do all of this. If you want to delete, you can delete here also from the project. This is the teams. If you want to add any team member, you can add the team member. Even if you want to create a new team, you can do this also. Then this is the permissions, and this the permission you can for different groups, you can change the permissions. Okay, like for the readers, you can actually go to the readers, and you can see you can change their permissions, and you can only the readers, you can add the specific member, so they can have only the reading permission. And this is the notifications, you can add the notifications here. I mean you want to see the notifications of the build, pull request, reviews. If you want to see all these notifications, you can add the notifications. Okay, and this is the service hooks. Service hooks is like Okay. So create subscription. This one is just if you want to add any other tools like Office 365, Slack, Trello, like remember like the Jira. So as I said, like if you are familiar with the one tools, you can see like you can add with other tools also, but you need to just go over a little bit like each things. Then this is the dashboard. You can also update the dashboard, like yeah, whatever you want to see, what you don't want to see, you can add those also into the dashboard. And this is the project configuration. Okay, so here actually you can see how many sprints are working on and how the iterations is, and also you can see the areas, how many team members are there. You can see all these things from here actually in the boards and the team configuration. You can add also the team. See, like this is the selecting days, working days, and in the backlogs you will have the epics and the issues only. And this is the GitHub connections if you have connected with the Git connections, and these all are the pipelines for like if you have if you don't if you want to change any pipelines, CI/CD pipelines, you can do. And these are the repositories. So these all are the things actually are like all the settings things. Okay, so yeah, these are the things of the Azure DevOps. And one another thing it has, that one is my favorite. That one is what it is. I forgot a lot of things. Okay, so in the dashboard, you can add the widget. So you can just simply click on the add widget, and here you can add so many. They have so many widgets here, and you can like the burn down, build history, code tile, chart for work items, chart for test plans, build history, assign to me. See, you can add all of this. Just simply what you have to do, you can just drag it and drop it into a box, and it will add here. See, and also if you want to configure, you can configure those. See, this is how you can also create your own dashboard, and you want to see, you can see all of this result, and this result will be like automatically will be updated here, okay, based on your work items. If you're done editing this, see, so right now it's all the things is 0, and all there is no build we have right now. So that's why there is no. And also you can configure if you want to just select a pipeline. Right now we don't have any pipeline, but yeah, all the things you can see here at the report. So they have very good things here. You can see a good, very good reports, and you can design this onto your dashboard. Okay, so any question?
No, Pranto. We need to practice on it actually. It's a bit
Yep.
new.
So that's the thing. Yeah, you guys have to go over these both tools. Not the both tools. You guys have now right now have 3 tools like the Agile LM, Azure
Mhm.
DevOps, and the Jira. So
True.
that's very good opportunity. So you guys can just explore these 3 tools, and it will be very easier for you to maintain other tools if you have after joining in the project. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. So yep. Let me stop the recording.